Okay, before we dive in, a quick reminder. This video is recorded at a normal pace, so you can easily see exactly what I'm doing at every step. If you're in a hurry, feel free to use the timestamps in the description, or simply speed up the video using the YouTube player controls. Let's get started. First, bring your image onto the canvas and align it just like I have here. Next, head up to the Filters menu at the top and select Filter Gallery. Look for the Textures folder, open it, and select the Texturizer effect. Go ahead and copy the exact settings I'm using on screen. Click OK to head back to your canvas. Now, apply a threshold adjustment layer and set the value to 100. Finally, merge the two layers together by pressing Ctrl+E. Step 2. Typography using the sandwich method. We'll be using the font Impact Regular for our hero text, NSX. Go ahead and align it exactly as I'm doing. Once you have it positioned perfectly, duplicate that text layer. We're going to make a sandwich by placing the duplicated text layer directly on top of the image layer. Now, add a red stroke to that top text layer and drop its fill down to 0. The most important part here is to clip the top text layer to the image layer underneath it. You can do this quickly by holding down the Alt key. Step 3. The finishing touches. This step is fairly easy but incredibly important. Complementary assets can truly make or break your design. So, import the assets I've provided in the description and align them onto your canvas just like I have for both the top and bottom layers. I've included the text elements in that asset pack as well. Of course, feel free to experiment and add your own personal touches here too. Step 4. Sell your design. This is how we bring the whole piece to life. Grab the paper texture I provided, drop it onto your canvas, and change its blending mode to lighter color. This is the secret sauce that gives the design that textured, cinematic, old paper look you see everywhere right now. And that's it. That is how you build a bomb design in under 8 minutes. Now, it's your turn to try it out. See you next time.